Hi everyone, it's Maureen of Maureen 97 Designs, and I just, within the last 5 minutes, just received my Sew Sampler box for March 2021, and although I cut the tape, I haven't actually opened the box yet, so I wanted to do an unboxing video, and this is my honest, immediate reactions to whatever's in the box. And part of the reason why I wanted to do an unboxing is, because I have read in a couple of different groups how people are saying the March 2021 box is their favorite ever, or, yet of their subscription. So I'm hoping it's super good. I know a bunch of people were disappointed with the My Favorite Color is Moda panel in last month's box, so I'm hoping that this will be something really awesome that almost everybody's gonna love. So if you don't want to see what's in the March 2021 Sew Sampler box, turn off your video right away or navigate away from this page or whatever you do, because I'm gonna dig in right now. Okay, so the theme is happiness is homemade. That's super cute. And, okay. Oh, Springbrook. Oh, there's two! There are two Springbrook charm packs. And these are by Corey Yoder of Coriander Quilts. And I love this print. I actually got a scrap bag, a Moda scrap bag, with some Springbrook a long time ago before it was even released. And I knew I really wanted some more of it. So I haven't got around to buying any, so this is great. Two charm packs. It's going to make a really nice size project, I think. And then here we have rainbow bobbins. Oh, those are so cute. Different color clear plastic bobbins, or I guess transparent plastic bobbins in different colors. That is really cute. Ooh, this is fancy. What is this? A silver needle case. Oh, that is beautiful. That looks like an antique. Let me see. I'm just going to open this right up. Doesn't that look like an antique? Wow. Okay. Oh, there. Wow, this is super fancy. I like that. And then we have Sew Tight sticklers. Adhere these silicone dots to your Sew Tight so they won't slip off of uneven surfaces when hand sewing. Oh, okay. So these are just tiny little grippy dots that you put on your Sew Tights, which I can't remember when we got the Sew Tights. I think that was last month or the month before, so that's a handy little addition. And then, oh, this is so pretty! Starry Checkers is our pattern this month by Corey Yoder. Oh, and it looks really pretty. I just ordered the backing, or finishing kit, not backing. The backing doesn't come in the finishing kit. I just ordered the finishing kit yesterday from the That Quarter Shop website, and so I'm assuming it's going to have all this white and gray fabric in it. Oh, that's really beautiful. I love that color combination. So you can make, let's see, wait, does it say? Gee, am I missing it? Finished quilt is 36 by 36, and there's a picture of it. Oh, that's really beautiful. I'm definitely making this one. And then, of course, here's your greatest hits. Oh, I was going to say I got two by mistake, but I guess one is the track 12, and then one is the finishing card. So yeah, I mean, I don't know about best box ever, but I really love the look of this quilt. I'm glad we got two charm packs. I think that's a lot of value. and it's great for making something. It's not a really big quilt, but still, it's really, really pretty. These bobbins, I don't know how many people can use these kinds of plastic bobbins. I think I can use these maybe in my Janome. I just got a Featherweight 221. I was lucky enough to find a seller on Craigslist, and I was able to get a Featherweight. And these won't go in the Featherweight, but they might go in my Janome. But in any case, they're really cute. And this is super cool, this needle case. I really like that. And these stickers. You know, I'm not sure. I haven't actually taken the Sew Tights out of their package yet, so I'm not sure about the slippage, but it's nice that they have a thing to go with that. So I'm just going to take a quick look here. If I missed anything. Okay, yeah. And then, of course, there's a coupon on the back for 25% off Martingale books. So if you're interested in those, you can get your code from the back of the, I don't know what this is called, title card, I guess. So I'm really happy with this box, and I hope you are too. And if you're waiting on yours, I hope you get it soon, but I also hope that my little unboxing will tide you over until you can get yours, and you can be excited about it too. So anyway, that's it for now. I hope to see you again real soon. Thanks very much for watching. Bye!